Framex SL 3000. It is intended for glazing of winter gardens, hotels, terraces, restaurants, bistros, cafes, around swimming pools, for internal partitions and balconies. The mounting depth of the frame depends on the construction and can be 60, 89, 118 or 147 mm. Filling options: glass thick 8 mm or double glazing 20 mm. The sealing system is 2 seals, felt. The number of sashes of the construction is from 2 to 10. The range profiles used in the system allows the use of from 2 to 5 guides that increases the number of sashes in the construction. A well-throughout drainage system allows the construction to be installed as an entrance from the street to an unheated room. SL 3000 has ability to set a threshold that is convenient and safe to use. Narrow and neat visible sashes allow to maximize the light opening. Maximum construction height 3 meters, length 12 meters. Possibility to powder coating of profiles of the system in any color according to raw color. Advantages of Framex SL 3000. Expansion of space due to the movement of the sashes parallel to the construction. Maximum usable area upon opening. Easy to place furniture to the extreme points. Variability in number of guides. Implementation of sophisticated options for siding system and office partitions. Minimal presence of visible construction elements. No groove in the guide profile. Variety of locking-unlocking accessories, etc. Simplicity and reliability of hardware, providing protection against incorrect operation of mechanisms. Elegant design. Easy care. Sufficient sound insulation. Weather protection.